Okay, hi there. My name is Japheth. Some of my friends and students call me Uncle Jaff, some call me Uncle J. Whichever you choose is fine with me. I've been teaching children, teenagers and young people for more than a decade now. I've taught some of them mathematics, I've taught them physics, chemistry, I've taught them computer, I've taught them basic science and technology. I've even taught them electrical building services design. However, my primary aim in working with young people is to help them enjoy the joy and adventure in following Jesus, and also to help them realize that they are in this world for a purpose. So my best moment in life is usually whenever I spend time talking to a young person about life. I think that's enough about who I am. Now, how are you doing, especially during this lockdown and restriction of movement? I understand that it's not really easy for so many people to adjust, but I also know that there are some people who are taking advantage of the opportunity to spend time with their families, to watch a lot of movies, to play games, to surf the internet and go on social media. For some of you, I know some of your parents might have registered you for some special classes so that you can keep busy and be mentally fit. And to me, that's a very good idea. I decided to put this video out there to encourage you and to let you know that this time is not going to last forever. It will definitely pass, and that's why you need to take advantage of this time and make wise use of it. I would love to encourage you with few ideas that I've been able to put down to let you know that there are some things that you can do at this time during this lockdown period to ensure that you make this time productive and also make sure that you come out of it a better person. Now, here are 5 or 6 things that I think if you do them during this stay at home period, it will prove profitable to your life and it will benefit you. Number 1, study. I've come to discover that the quality of our lives, the quality of our decisions and the quality of our thoughts are dependent on the quality of information that we have. A great man once said that our lives will remain the same except for the books that we read and the people that we meet. So I would love to encourage you during this lockdown period to make sure you take time to feed your mind with quality and healthy information. I've been studying from the Bible about how the events and the kingdoms of this world will play out. So far, I've read the book of Daniel and the words of Jesus in Matthew chapter 24 and 25. And I'm telling you, it's been awesome. So I'd love to encourage you that even as you get good books to read, I'd love you to create time daily to feed on the word of God contained in the Bible. Jesus was speaking and he said that the words that I speak to you, they are spirit and they are life. God instructed Joshua when he became Israel's leader that he should meditate on his law day and night, and that by so doing he will make his way prosperous and will have good success. Also, Proverbs chapter 4 verse 22 tells us that the words of God are life to them, to those that find them, and that they are health to all their flesh. So with these assurances on what the word of God can do in your life, I strongly recommend that the Bible should top your reading list during this lockdown period and even afterwards. Alright, number 2, meditation and prayer. You know, when we eat, we don't only go for quantity. We usually go for a balance between quantity and quality. That's why we have balanced diet. It's the same thing when we read. You know, just archiving information in your head that is not part, that does not become part of your life, usually does not make you better than a storage device. So I'd love to encourage you that even as you study during this lockdown period, make sure you take time to think deeply about the things that you're reading. Reflect, meditate, spend time to think about what you're reading. You know, reflect on the things you're discovering and find out how you can apply them to make your life better. During your Bible study time, don't just flip through the Bible as if you're reading through any other book. No, but make sure you spend time to pray and ask God to give you understanding of His Word. Ask Him to open your eyes to the truths that are in His scriptures. It will be a wise idea to have a pen and probably a journal so that you can make notes of lessons that you've learned and also put down action plans. Number 3, as worse than death. Dr. Miles Monroe, in his book The Pursuit of Purpose, said that the worst thing in life is not death, but a life without purpose. If you cannot say for sure what your God-given purpose is in this earth, then I strongly recommend that you take this time to kickstart that discovery process. Finding your purpose might not be something you can do in just one day, but knowing and realizing that God loves you and that He has a plan for your life can be a very good place to start. Rick Warren's book, The Purpose-Driven Life, was very useful in helping me find out my life's purpose. It will make a very good read for you. Don't waste this opportunity. Take out time to pray and ask God to show you and to guide you into His purpose for your life. And as you do that, I'm very sure that He's going to open your eyes to see why He placed you here in this earth. Okay. Number 4, build your skill set. One of the best things you can do this period is to improve on your skill set. Do well to learn something new or improve on something that you already know. With so many organizations giving out free or discounted online courses, I think there is no better time for you to learn than now. So, what is that skill that you've always wanted to learn? Go for it. Use these days that you'll be at home to add value to yourself. Learn how to read faster, learn computer programming, learn graphics design, website design, digital sales and marketing, or any skill that interests you, but make sure you learn something that will make you better. Number 5, practice daily goal setting. The result of each day that we live is what usually sums up to whatever becomes of our lives in the end. For you to have a great or successful life, you need to have successful days. We get successful days when we set and achieve daily tasks that are in resonance with our goals and purpose. Most of us have built the habit of leaving things unfinished. Even I have done that a lot of times. So I figured that one of the ways that we can build a new habit of accomplishing our set goals is by making sure that we accomplish little tasks daily. So I'll encourage you during this lockdown period to set daily tasks. Don't choke one day with all the things you wish you had done already. No, instead break them into little bits that you can accomplish in a day. Set daily goals and make sure that you go to bed knowing that you've drawn yourself one step closer to accomplishing your life's objective. Now that brings me to the last suggestion that I have for you. Complete abandoned tasks and projects that are related to your purpose. Are there projects that you started and you left them unfinished? Are there ideas that you started working on and later on you abandoned them? Pick them up and complete them. Complete that song, complete that script, complete that book you started writing. Go back and finish that training that you started. Pick up those abandoned projects that are collecting dust and make sure that you get them done. All the things I've shared with you are things that will be beneficial for your life during this lockdown and even afterwards. Do well to start making them part of your lifestyle. This is not the last time you'll be hearing from me. I will be sharing more with you on purpose, on faith, on career, and about life generally. I'll also be working with friends and other partners to bring you short things that have to do with vital issues that affect young people, that affect our parents, and affect even teachers. So do well to subscribe, like, and share this video with your family and friends. Also leave a comment below on how this video has helped you. If you have any issue that you would love to share with me for guidance, or probably just something you want to let off your chest, feel free to reach me through WhatsApp and Facebook. The links are going to be placed on the screen, and then you could also see the link in the comment section below. You take care of yourself. Bye for now.